間咧，其實冇做一個 recipe 啦，因為好忙拍緊啲 live， 所以今日咧就會做一個叫做wine cookie， 意大利開始嘅就 white wine cookie，so there's white wine in it， 有白酒喺個 cookie 裏邊。咁咧平時咧佢哋做一個扭扭嘅 shape， 但係今日咧我哋會做啲比較開心啲星星啊、圓形嗰啲 shape 咧。咁當你有 party 嘅時候咧就好睇啲啦，同埋開心啲啦。So we're gonna start with first you're gonna get 1.5 cup of flour, and then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of wine. 我今次用我自己嗰個啦 ，OK， 留翻一個 1/4 cup， 係啦，其實全部撈晒一齊得噶嘛。A 1/4 cup of sugar. 3/4 cups of baking powder, OK， 唔係 baking soda 嚇 ，baking powder。OK， 呢個係 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla and just a pinch of鹽。有啲 pinch 大啲，有啲 pinch 細啲，你自己印下。OK， 咁啊就 mix 埋一齊啦。其實好簡單嘅 ，this is such an easy recipe。And I think the cool part is 其實咧。佢唔係好甜啊，所以你可以焗完之後咧都可以擺2個禮拜嘅。So it's a pretty good cookie to keep around the house. Kids can have it because after you cook it, it's not very strong. And you can have it with white wine and red wine. 其實配合2種酒去 snack 喺一齊 OK 嘅。咁撈埋一齊之後咧 ，okay, just make sure it's stirred very well. 好香啊！其實你睇下，make sure 全部撈晒喎個 baking powder。Make sure it's mixed up very well in it. And after you mix it, we're gonna let it sit for about 15-20 minutes， 俾佢叫做唞下15分鐘度。當佢唞下嘅時候咧，你就可以準備嗰啲 tray 啊，同埋你啲 cookie cutters 啦。OK， 你想整咩 shape 咧，你就而家準備啦。OK， 15分鐘後就可以攞出嚟啦。15分鐘之後咧，就攞少少粉啦 ，and then 鋪喺個台。We're gonna roll this out。OK。咁你 roll 佢 out 佢出去嘅時候咧，你睇下我用一個好細嘅 rolling pin， 因為其實我哋都唔係整好多，呢個 recipe 整好少嘅 cookies， 同埋啲 cookies 比較細嘅。簡單嚟講咧，意大利人咧通常咧就攞一個好似整一個鈕咧，就 dip 喺啲糖上邊啦 ，a little bit of sugar and that's it. So when you feel like it's at the right thickness， 你覺得啱啱好嘅時候咧，即係嗰個厚度啊。好似1/4個 inch 咁樣啦。我咧就會攞譬如我個 cutter 啦，我 take the cutter dip 一 dip 喺少少啲粉度。咁當你咧撳咗佢之後啦，佢就會好容易咧 out 咗嘅，佢唔會黐落個 cookie cutter 度。咁你攞咗個星星啦，咁攞個星星喺個糖上邊反咗佢 ，lightly press it。咁你呢一個咧動作，呢個動作咧就 repeat 好多次。我通常咧就會攞，即係撳幾個落去嘅。好簡單嘅 shape。OK， 咁每一個星星咧，佢有啲糖。Now with the leftovers, you put it back together again. So 最開心咧就係冇嘢嘥嘅 ，OK？ 嗰啲尾啊邊邊咧，你其實可以擺翻埋一齊再用 ，OK？ OK 嗱，睇唔睇到啊？ 你用另一部機睇啦 ，OK？We'll give you another shot. So we've got stars and circles here, and dipped in a little bit of brown sugar, light brown sugar. 咁咧擺入去個焗爐大概10分鐘咧已經得㗎啦。咁等佢有少少 golden brown 嘅 ，OK？ 我哋入焗爐啦，10分鐘之後你就會睇得到。